Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today, let's revise the sixth lesson objectives, children, that is around the neighborhood. Okay, so before getting started, let's have a glance over these children, that is being a good neighbor. Okay, so let's get started. To live happily in a neighborhood, we need to be good neighbors too, isn't it? If you behave good with your neighbors, then your neighbors also will behave good with you, isn't it? In that way, you can live happily in the neighborhood, right? Being a good neighbor is to be ready to help other neighbors when they need help. Like example, how can you be a good neighbor? Whenever your neighbors need you, you should be always ready to help them, isn't it? So in this way you can be a good neighbor, isn't it? Here are some ways that show Millie and Joy's family are good neighbors. You can try these too. So here we have taken the example of Millie and Joy's family. Okay, here some ways are given that shows that Joy and Millie's family are good neighbors, and you should also try all these. Okay, so here we go. First one is Millie's parent let Zishan, their neighbor, to stay at their house till his parents come back from work. So whenever Zishan's parents go for work, he will be alone, children, Zishan. So Millie and Joy's parents let Zishan to stay in their house till their mother or father come back from work. So isn't it a good thing, children? So aren't they a good neighbor? Yes, they are the good neighbors, right? So if these situations happen in your neighborhood, then you should always help them. Next, when Mrs. Smith is short of sugar or anything else, mom gives her some from her kitchen. Usually what happens, children, sometimes we run short of sugar, short of oil, or short of something or the other, isn't it? So in that situations, what our mothers do, they will go to your neighbors and they will ask from them, isn't it? So here also, whenever Mrs. Smith runs short of sugar or anything else, Joy and Millie's mother will always give whatever they want from her kitchen. So isn't it a good thing, children? So this proves that they are a good neighbor. Next, last year when Mr. Roy had an accident, dad and mom took him to hospital. So last year what happened, children? Mr. Roy, he met with an accident. So at that time it was an emergency, na? So Joy and Millie's dad and mom, they took him to the hospital. So isn't it a good thing, children? Isn't it? They are responsible neighbors, right? They are very helpful and very caring, isn't it? Next, when Mr. and Mrs. Singh moved to the neighborhood, dad and mom helped them to unpack their things. They welcomed them to the neighborhood. So Mr. and Mrs. Singh was new to their neighborhood. So Joy and Millie's parents, they helped them to unpack their things and they welcomed them to the neighborhood in a good way. Next, when there is a celebration at home, dad and mom invite all the neighbors to celebrate together. So whenever any events will be there in our home, what we do, children, we usually call our neighbors, right? And we all celebrate together. It will be a fun, and in this way we can grow our friendship, isn't it? So this also will prove that you are a good neighbor. So here dad and mom of Joy and Millie, they invite all the neighbors if any celebration will be there at their home. Okay. Next, do you think that their neighbors would in return be kind to them as well? Sometimes yes, and sometimes no. But we can win our neighbor's heart by behaving good with them, right? And also by helping them in their needs, right? By loving, by caring, isn't it? So in these ways you can be friendly to your neighbors, isn't it, children? Now let's revise all the objectives of this lesson. First is tick the correct answers. Okay, so the first question given here is, a map helps us to find places. True or false? Yes, of course. Map is a drawing, children, drawing of any place. So it will be very easy to find any address by using the maps, isn't it? So maps are very helpful for us to find the places. Answer is true. Next, we can find a place with the help of clocks or landmarks. Of course, we can find any place with the help of the landmarks, like we have seen the example here. Okay, in this, Misha invited Joy and Millie to show her pet to them, right? So she gave the address by drawing on a piece of paper, and she used landmarks here. What are they? Like here, she used the Alpana supermarket, okay, metro station, and etc. So these are the landmarks she used so that Joy and Millie can reach Misha's house easily. So isn't it useful, children? Yes, we can find a place with the help of landmarks. Next, whenever there is a fire, we should inform the hospital or fire station. Of course, the answer is fire station. So whenever there will be fire, we should inform the fire station, not the hospital. Hospital is for the treatment, isn't it? Treatment of diseases. Next, the person who brings letters from friends and relatives to our house is the chemist or postman. Yes, of course, postman. Postman will deliver the letters, isn't it? So answer is postman, not the chemist. Okay. Next, we should be dash to our neighbors, good or rude. Of course, we should be good to our neighbors, isn't it? In this way, you can live happily in your neighborhood. There will be no arguments, no quarreling, isn't it? So once again, let's have a glance over this. A map helps us to find places. True. We can find a place with the help of landmarks. Whenever there is a fire, we should inform the fire station. The person who brings letters from friends and relatives to our house is the postman. We should be good to our neighbors, right? Next, say yes or no. You have to write yes or no here. So the first question given here is, a map shows different things in and around a place. Yes, of course. Like the landmarks, we should use the landmarks so that anyone can reach that place easily, right? So map will show the different things in and around that place. Those are the landmarks. Yes. Next, a neighborhood usually has only houses, children? No, it has all the other things like the post office, bank, hospital, police station, fire station, and etc. Right? So in a neighborhood, there will be other things also. So answer is a no, no. Next, we can keep our money safe in the bank. Yes, of course. Bank is a place where you can keep your money safe, isn't it? There will be security there. In a hospital, the doctors and nurses take care of us. Yes, whenever you fall sick, we visit hospital, and their doctors and nurses both take care of us, right? So answer is yes, yes. We do not need to be friendly to our neighbors. No, we should be friendly to our neighbors. Then only you can live happily. If not, there will be quarreling between us, right? Then you cannot live life peacefully. So you should be always friendly to your neighbors. So here the question given here is, we do not need to be friendly to our neighbors. No. So once again, let's have a glance over this. A map shows different things in and around a place. Yes. A neighborhood usually has only houses. No. We can keep our money safe in the bank. Yes. In a hospital, the doctors and nurses take care of us. Yes. We do not need to be friendly to our neighbors. No. Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our 6th lesson. We'll catch up in the next video with the 7th lesson revision. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, practice hard. Allah Hafiz.